protect our clothes in the studio?
Yes, there is. I'm wearing it. We also use it in the kitchen. It's an apron.
That's cool.
Today's keyword is apron.
I wanted to.
Okay, go ahead and say today's keyword is apron.
Today's keyword is apron.
Okay, but look here and say it.
Today's keyword
No,
is
you don't. Okay, just look here and say. I know. I said look here. Okay, now do it again. Look here and say.
But it's recording.
I know it is. Today's keyword.
Today's keyword is apron.
No, look here and say it.
Today's keyword is apron.
No, do it normal.
Today's keyword is apron.
Today's keyword is apron.
But look at the camera and say it.
Damn!
Okay, one more time.
Today's keyword is apron.
Okay, but pronounce each word. You slurred all
Today's keyword is apron.
Today's keyword is apron.
You sound angry. Hey, Kiari, what's your favorite thing to open when Mom does her unboxing videos?
Zots, of course.
Well, Zots are pretty good. Today's keyword is Zots. Oh.
Is that leaking?
Z-O-T-Z.
Okay, do it one more time looking at this. Okay.
Today's keyword is Zots. Z-O-T-Z.
It's leaking. It has a hole. Yep.
Man, Mom travels a lot.
What?
You forgot what you were supposed to say?
So I was like, no, man, Mom travels a lot. Where does she go every February?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Go.
I don't say anything.
Yeah, you do. You go, I found the best present
I
for
thought
Mom.
she was supposed to say
You
that.
say it.
Today's keyword is flux.
What's flex? I can say
Okay, so you're
flex.
gonna say flex?
Is it flux or
Or you can
flex?
say what's flex.
Okay.
But yeah, it's flux, but you can say what is flex.
And I'll go, flux. It's the powder that we put on when we're about.
Not powder, it's just it's what we put on to help the solder flow.
It's what we put on to help the solder flow.
Okay, go.
Okay. Hey, Kiari, do you want to see what I can do?
Yeah. Cool.
What was it?
You made a spark.
Today's keyword is spark.
Cool. Can I try?
Sure. Hey, Kiara, you want to see something I can do?
It's okay, go ahead and start again. Kate, get in, make sure you stay.
Hey, Kiara, you want to see something I can do?
What?
No. Oh, no. It's stuck. It's going to make a lot of fun bloopers. We got a lot of fun bloopers, you know?
Maybe.
Hey, Kate, what do we use it? I forgot.
Hold it up a little higher.
What do we
What
do
do we
with the
use
file?
this for?
Oh, okay. Hey, Kate, what do we use this for?
Well, we use a file to file down the rough edges and smooth out the metal. Today's keyword is file. What?
Didn't hold today's keyword again.
What did she say?
I have no idea.
Metal.
Man, what were we supposed to be doing right now? Shooting a video.
Shooting a video.
Okay.
Let's start it again. Don't start off with man. Just say, what were we supposed to be doing right now?
Man, Kate, we spend a lot of time in Mom's studio.
Yeah, we do.
Do you know what today's keyword is?
It's okay, you go with it, Kate.
No.
Go.
Hey, Kiari, we've got a tool for our keyword today.
What's that?
It's pliers. Today's keyword is pliers.
Okay, stop. You didn't even look at the camera. Go.
Man,
Go.
Man, Kate, we spend a lot of time in Mom's studio.
Yeah, we do. Do you know what's in Mom's studio?
Tools.
Lots and lots of tools.
Today's keyword is tools.
Tools.